In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a circle picture in PowerPoint. Whether you're refining a professional presentation or adding creativity to a personal project, mastering this skill will allow you to present images in a more visually appealing way. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, open PowerPoint on your computer. This could either be on your desktop, in your applications folder, or through a shortcut in your taskbar or start menu. Once PowerPoint is running, navigate to your desired presentation where you'd like to insert a circular image. If this document isn't created yet, you might want to start a new presentation by selecting a template or blank slide that suits your creative needs. Next, we're going to step into the Insert tab, found along the top of the program's navigation bar. The Insert tab is a treasure trove of options that allows you to add various elements to enrich your slides. Anything from text boxes and tables to images, charts, and more. Today our focus is on shapes, so let's proceed by clicking on Shapes. This will give you a menu filled with a wide selection of shapes to choose from. Look for the circle shape, officially marked as the oval in PowerPoint. Now here's a crucial little tip. To ensure your oval is a perfect circle, press and hold down the Control key on your keyboard as you click and drag your mouse on the slide to draw. This simple trick constrains the proportions and forms a flawless circle. Once the circle is in place, it's time to move over to the Shape Format tab. This area of PowerPoint is your best friend when it comes to customizing and personalizing how your shape looks. You'll find it appears automatically whenever you click on the shape you've just drawn. Within the Shape Format tab, direct your attention to the Shape Fill option. Clicking on Shape Fill will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Picture. You're now just a few short clicks away from adding your desired image. Next, click on From a File to browse your computer. This is where the magic happens. Scour through your folders and photo library to find the precise picture you wish to display within the circle on your slide. Select your chosen image, click Insert, and voila, your picture is neatly embedded within the constraints of a circle. And there you have it, you've successfully inserted a circle picture into your PowerPoint slide. Now feel free to resize or reposition it to fit the overall composition of your slide. With these steps, you can ensure that your presentations are visually captivating, helping your overall message stand out and engaging your audience compellingly. Thanks for joining in today, and happy creating.